So, how to fix Gmail not receiving emails? If you have such problem, Gmail not receiving emails you use, first what you can do is check your internet connection. Yes, sounds simple, but this is most common problem. So please simply refresh the page or add new tab and open any website and check if it's loading. If it's loading, then good. And next what you can do is check spam and trash folder. Maybe your email was deleted or it's in spam. So make sure to check both folders. And next what you can try to do is click on a gear icon here and move to the see all settings. So click on it, see all settings. And then click on filter and blocked addresses. And from here you should check if your email address or something is blocked. So make sure to clear everything here. This is how it works, like guys.